Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Healthy One. Have you been feeling tired all the time, even after getting a good 7 to 8 hours of sleep? Are you experiencing bone pain, muscle weakness or cramps, or mood swings? These could all be signs of vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is often overlooked yet crucial for our survival. Without it, our bodies cannot function at their best. About 1 billion people worldwide suffer from this deficiency, and 50% of the population has vitamin D insufficiency. It's a silent issue with serious implications. If any of these symptoms sound familiar, stick around. Today we'll explore the causes of vitamin D deficiency and, most importantly, how you can tackle this issue. Why is vitamin D important for us? It strengthens our bones by helping absorb calcium, boosts our immune system, protecting us from infections, improves our mood, supports muscle function, which is vital for daily activities and exercise. How much vitamin D is required per day? Infants of age 0 to 12 months requires 400 international units. People of age 1 year to 70 years require 600 international units. And people above 70 years requires 800 international units per day. Who is most at risk for vitamin D deficiency? Skin color. People with darker skin tone have more melanin, which makes it harder for their skin to produce vitamin D from sunlight. Age. Your skin's ability to make vitamin D decreases with age. So people over the age of 70 years are more prone to vitamin D deficiency. Infants who are only fed breast milk are also at risk, since breast milk contains very small amounts of vitamin D. Mobility. People who are homebound or rarely go outside are also at risk, as they get very less sun exposure. Other factors may include kidney or liver failure, certain medications, family history of vitamin D deficiency, certain types of cancer, and obesity. Now that we have identified the problem and its causes, let's dive into the solutions. What are the sources of vitamin D? Sun exposure, foods rich in vitamin D, and supplements. First of all, sunlight is one of the best natural sources of vitamin D. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, UVB rays from the sun hits the skin, which helps in producing vitamin D. The best time to get the maximum vitamin D from the sun is between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., especially at noon, as the sun is at its highest point and your body needs less time to produce vitamin D. Expose your arms, legs, back, and abdomen to get more vitamin D. Do not forget to expose your back, as it allows your body to produce the maximum vitamin D. According to the Vitamin D Council, people with light skin tone need around 15 minutes in the sun, while people with dark skin tone might need more time. Make sure you don't spend more than 30 minutes in the light sunlight and 10 minutes in harsh sunlight. Sun's UVB rays cannot penetrate through the window glass, so people who sit next to the sunny windows do not get vitamin D from the sun, contrary to what they believe. Can sunscreen affect vitamin D levels? We use sunscreen to protect our skin against skin cancers and sunburns. When it's applied, the skin is exposed to lower levels of harmful UVB rays. Studies show that sunscreen with SPF 30 or more reduces vitamin D production in the body by 95 to 98%. So while wearing sunscreen, you might have to spend long hours in the sunlight for your skin to produce enough vitamin D. Next, here are some of the foods that are rich in vitamin D. 1 tablespoon of cod liver oil can give up to 1360 international units of vitamin D. 100 grams of salmon fish can give up to 752 international units of vitamin D. 150 grams of white raw mushrooms, which are sliced and exposed to sunlight for 15 to 120 minutes, can give up to 600 international units of vitamin D, depending upon the season and weather. You can also store them up to a week in a refrigerator to retain the produced vitamin D. One egg yolk can give up to 37 international units of vitamin D, whereas a whole egg can give up to 41 international units of vitamin D. 1 cup of milk, which is vitamin D fortified, can give up to 120 international units. 100 ml of orange juice, which is vitamin D fortified, can give up to 50 international units. 1 cup of cereals, which are vitamin D fortified, can give 40 to 100 international units of vitamin D depending upon the brand and type of cereal you have selected. If you're not getting enough vitamin D from sunlight and food, supplements can help. Vitamin D comes in two forms, D2 and D3. D2 comes from plants, whereas D3 comes from animals. Our body absorbs D3 form more easily than D2. Consult your doctor to find out if you need a vitamin D supplement and how much to take if required. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel to get more health-related updates.